Hey, Fub family. Got another video today about a feature we've added. So my operations managers and my transaction coordinators and listing coordinators are going to love this. You probably have a format that you want your deal names to be set as. You probably make your Google Drive folders a similar name, something along the lines of the street address combined with the client's name and maybe also combined with the agent's name. And I'm sure you all have experienced that getting the agents to follow your formatting is never going to happen reliably. So the deal name ends up being 10 different formats for 10 different agents. And that's just one more thing you have to update to get it the way you want. So we've created a way to make all of your deal names uniform. So I'm in my seller listing form here. If I go to settings and I go down here to customize deal name, I can customize it however I want. Here's the template. So if I want to do, let's say, last name of the lead, and then let's see, the address field, street address. Add that. And then maybe I want to have the property type on here. We'll add that. And we save our deal name. And now I'm going to go into Follow Boss and show how this works. So now I'm in a lead record in Follow Boss. I'm going to go to my seller pipeline and my listing form. And property type is, say, new build. And now we submit. And now we have our deal in the format that we want with a last name, street address, property type. We also have similar functionality for names of the appointment. I'll show that in a separate video. All right, thanks everyone.